All right, good morning, everybody. It is a Sunday morning here in Florida, Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. So we are headed over to Yulee for the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for June. We had wanted to go to New Smyrna Beach to the Sorry Charlie's third annual show, but well, scheduling conflicts and all. Couldn't make it down there. It's like yesterday we had wanted to go out to Monticello, but the weather got to us on that one. It was a long drive, and we didn't want to drive through rain the whole way there and get there and there'd be no cars. So we stayed home yesterday. So we figured we'd get out and go to Yulee today. Don't know how many cars are going to be there. Because it is Father's Day, there may not be very many at all. So we're just going to go see. And we'll take you along for the ride. Hope you guys enjoy it. Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful Sunday morning out here in Florida. We are in Yulee at the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for June on Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. We're going to take you around and show you what's out here and show you what cars came out. And we got a good turnout, surprisingly. So, let's get going. Just missed the Chevelle leaving. Sorry, guys. Anyway. Got a nice GT500 there. Love this blue Mach 1 here. That is a cool looking car. Got a nice looking Fox body there. Oh look, we got another Fox body. We're special today. Got a pair of Foxes out here. We draw all kind of cars out here to Yulee Cars and Coffee. We got Audis, we got Volkswagens, we got...
Where's Mama at today?
Working.
I'm heading to Walmart when I leave here.
She'll be there. Oh look, we got a square body. I gotta go look at this one. Oh, we got a GMC square today. And check out that Tahoe. No comment, guys. We even got a Porsche. Got a Cobra. Pretty nice looking Monte Carlo. Got the Hot Wheels Blazer out here. Hey, check it out. The red, white, and blue Camaros. That's gonna wrap up our live stream. We don't know how long we're gonna be out here today. It's hot. It's only gonna get hotter. But I'm out here bringing the car show to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. These videos are gonna be out probably another week and a half. I'm just one guy. I tell you, it's getting harder and harder to edit. I record so much video, it gets harder every time to get them out within a week. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the videos. And we'll see you guys out at the next car show, whatever and wherever we may be. right, everybody, we just left the Yulee Cars and Coffee Monthly Meetup for June. We only stayed about an hour. It was hot. It was miserable hot. Wasn't hardly no breeze or nothing, so we're going to head to the house and get into air conditioning. So yeah, that's going to wrap up the weekend. Next weekend, I think we got 2 events on Saturday so far. We got the Horse and Cow in Kingsland is doing a military suicide awareness car show, and we're going to go check that out. And then McClenny Walmart and the Christian Cruisers of McClenny or whatever are having a car show on Saturday evening, so we'll go check that one out too. And that'll be that for the next weekend. And then after that, we got the 4th of July show with the Callahan Cruisers in Callahan. So we got us a couple of good weeks coming up. So we'll see you guys out at the car show. The channel's been kind of slow this week. We're at like 383 subscribers. Hey, that's kind of a cool number. You know, it is what it is. It's just we're clawing our way up to 500. You know, week by week, day by day. That's really all I got. I'm just so hot and tired. It's just ridiculous. We're in the middle of a heat and rain wave here in Florida. You know, it burns you up in the morning, in the midday, and then pours down rain on you in the afternoon. So we're trying to get home before it rains too. So yeah, it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The main videos for the Yulee Cars and Coffee are going to be out probably 2 weeks. I'm a little behind right now. Had a lot of video come out of the barbecue that I'm still working on. So you know, we'll get it out there eventually. I'm just a one-man operation when it comes to editing videos, so it takes time. So I hope you guys be patient with that. So we'll see you guys out at the next car show. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. So we'll see you guys out at the car shows.